Hello everyone. So if you want to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time on your Android phone, here's how to do that. This option is perfect for keeping all of your devices without using much of mobile data. So first of all, let's open up our settings, of course. There we are. Now simply tap on Network in Internet. Some phone it may be in Connections tab. After that, we gotta locate our hotspot and tethering. So choose it and locate your Wi-Fi hotspot. So to enable it, simply tap on the switch near it. Now let's adjust it so it will work and function normally. Tap on it. First of all, this is your hotspot name. Let's tap and let's set up our hotspot name. I think this one will work good. Press OK. Now set up your security protocol. I'll keep it on the standard version, which is WPA2/WPA3 personal. You may set depending on your needs. Now set up your password. Make sure it's at least characters long, and I don't recommend you to use very simple passwords. Otherwise, when you're gonna be in public and you won't turn it off, somebody can secretly connect to it and use your data. So press OK to set up a password. Also, you can set up turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can choose speed and compatibility, frequency, right? So choose a frequency for your hotspot, if that's the connection speed, and what type of devices can find your hotspot. Once again, I'll keep it on the basics, but you do you. You can set up instant hotspot, however, it's only for cross-device services if you need to. And if you need to share your hotspot real fast, tap on this QR code icon, press confirm that it's you, and here is your quick share option. Here is your QR code, so simply scan it with our phone, and also you can see a hotspot password right here below. And basically that is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.